parts of speeches. Definition of a noun. Noun is the naming word. Examples: names, places, things, animals, birds, flowers, etc. For example, my name is Pratik. Pratik is a noun. Tomato. Tomato is red in color. Tomato is a noun. This is a toy gun. The gun is a noun. This is banana. Banana help us to be healthy every day. And brinjal. Brinjal is the king of vegetables. Brinjal. Brinjal is a noun. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hasni. I am studying 5th grade. Today I am going to tell about a noun. A noun is the first topic in the parts of a speech. Definition of a noun. A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal, thing, flower, fruit and vegetable, etc. For example, this is a bottle. I use the bottle for drinking. Here, bottle is a noun. This is a pencil. The pencil is in black color. Here, pencil is a noun. This is a ball. I use the ball for playing. Here, ball is a noun. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Manita. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am telling about noun. The noun is the first topic on the parts of speech. The noun is the naming word. It names place, person, things, animal, bird, flowers, fruits and vegetables. This is tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is the noun. Teddy. Teddy is so cute. Teddy is the noun. Ball. Ball is red in color. Ball is the noun. Thank you.
Hello to everyone. My name is Tirites. I am studying in grade 5th. Today my topic is noun. The noun is the first verb in the speech. For example, person, fruits, vegetables, places, things, etc. This dog is very cute. In this sentence, the noun is dog. The flower pot is orange color. In this sentence, the noun is flower. Tomato shape is circle. In this sentence, noun is tomato. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshit. I am studying 5th class. I want to tell about noun. Noun is a first topic in parts of a speech. A noun is a naming word. It names person, place, thing, fruits, flowers, vegetable, etc. All the naming words come under the noun. Cherry. Cherry is in red color. Naming word is cherry. Carrot. Carrot is healthy for eyes. Naming word is carrot. Gun. We can play with gun. Noun is a gun. Flower. Flower is in pink color. Naming word is flower.
Hello, my name is Bhavna. Today I am going to explain about noun. Noun is the first topic in parts of speech. A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, thing, animal, bird, fruit, etc. All the names come under the noun. For example, Hyderabad, pan, lion, pigeon, apple, etc. For example, a clock. A clock helps us in seeing time. In this sentence, the noun is clock. A pen. A pen helps us in writing. In this sentence, the noun is pen. A ruler. A ruler helps in drawing straight lines. In this sentence, the noun is ruler. A book. A book helps us in reading. In this sentence, the noun is book. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Zamran. I am studying in 5th grade. I am from Rajdhani Residential School. I am going to explain about a noun. A noun is describing word and it describes about person, place, thing, toy, fruits, vegetables. For example, a car. A car is blue in color. In this sentence, car is a noun. And a tomato. A tomato is used for cooking. In this sentence, tomato is noun. A pomegranate. It is a fruit. In this sentence, pomegranate is a noun. Thank you.
Hariom everyone, my name is Nilma Tanvi. I am 5th grade. Now I am telling about nouns. Noun is the first topic in parts of speech. Noun is a naming word. It names persons, animals, vegetables, fruits, birds, flowers, etc. This is a flower pot. Flowers are in pink color. In this sentence, flowers are nouns. This is a book I used to read and write. In this sentence, noun is book. This is a dog. I like to play with dog. In this sentence, noun is dog. Thank you.
Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Falak Abbas. I am in 5th class. Today I am going to tell about parts of speech. Noun. Noun is a naming word such as a person, a place, vegetables, thing, etc. Today I am going to tell about noun. This is abacustic. I use it because to solve maths problems. This is tomato. Is a vegetable to use cooking purpose. I eat an apple in a day. Keep daughter away. I like to play this toy. Its name is Thor. Thank you.
Hi everyone and all, my name is Harka. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am telling about nouns. In parts of speech, noun is first one. So, noun, what are nouns? Place, animals, things, names, etc. etc. So, the teddy bear is so soft. The doll is so cute. The book is I can use the book for writing important numbers. This is God photo. Hello everyone, my name is Tashni. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am going to tell about a noun. Noun is the first topic in the parts of speech. Now I'll tell the definition of a noun. Noun is the naming word. It names a person, place, thing, fruit, vegetable, flowers, and etc. Now I'll tell some examples in about a noun. Now I have this bottle. I'll frame a sentence on this bottle. This bottle is used to drink water. In this, the noun is bottle. Next one is teddy bear. The teddy bear is used to play with others. In this, the noun is teddy bear. The next one is comb. The comb is used to comb our hair. In this, the noun is comb. Thank you.
My name is Mahi. I am studying 5th grade. Today I am telling about noun. Noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, thing, animal, bird, fruits, etc. For example, I am living in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a noun. I like mango. Mango is noun.
Hariom everyone, my name is Aradhya Teja. I am studying in 5th grade. Today I want to explain about a noun. A noun is the first topic in our speech def. A noun is a naming word. It names us place, thing, flowers, vegetables, fruits. Today I want to explain about noun with my thing. The first thing is a toy. A toy helps us in playing. Next one is a green chili. The green chili is very spicy. Next one is a fruit. A fruit is very sweet. Next one is a bag. A bag is very heavy today. Thank you.
Hariom everyone, my name is Nitika. I am from grade 5. I want to tell you about noun. Noun is the first topic used in parts of speech. Definition of a noun. A noun is a naming word. It describes about place, thing, animal, fruits, vegetables, etc. All the naming words come under the noun. Now this fruit name is orange. Orange is in circle shape. In here, orange is a noun. And this is a capsicum. Capsicum is in green color. The capsicum is a noun. And the mango. The mango is very sweet. I like mango. And mango is a noun. This is a doll. I like dolls to play. And doll is a noun. And the mermaid is in yellow color. The mermaid is a noun. The mermaid is playing with the fishes. The mermaid is a noun. The fishes are in yellow color. The fishes is a noun. The boy is sleeping. The boy is a noun. The butterfly is happy. The butterfly is a noun. And I love.
Hariom everyone, my name is Dwalita. I am studying in 5th grade. Today I want to tell about a noun. Noun is the first topic in parts of speech. Definition. A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, thing, fruit, flower, vegetable, and etc. All the naming words comes under the noun. This is a chili. Chili is spicy. In this sentence, chili is a noun. This is a doll. I like to play with my doll. In this sentence, doll is noun. This is a clip. Clip is black in color. In this sentence, clip is noun. Thank you.
Today I'm saying that about a noun. Noun is the first topic in that first topic parts in the parts of speech. Definition. Noun is the naming word. In the names person and people and animals and places, fruits, vegetables, etc. All the naming words comes under noun. And I'm saying the noun sentence. The tree is tall and it have green leaves. The Barbie is it's a beautiful toy. And the apple is very small fruit. And the pomegranate has so many seeds inside. And the carrot, it is tall and it is in the orange color. And it is a vegetable. It is a tomato. Tomato didn't have any pattern inside. It had only red color. It is a Buddha statue. It is very big in here and it's full with gold. Thank you.